Hello everyone, how is everyone doing? So today I am here with the very powerful course, and this course is first time in India. So I'm very proud to bring it in India, and it's never been taught here before. So what is this course about? It's the course of 13 beautiful and very powerful occult symbols. It's called as the witches runes. If you think it's the same runes that you have done before, no, that is a different runes. Those are called as the Nordic runes. These are witches runes, and these have 13 beautiful symbols. They are not only beautiful, but they are also powerful symbols, because if you are a rune caster, then you can combine this with your rune casting and predict more precisely when it comes to witches runes and the rune casting. If you are a tarot reader, and you know that your tarot predictions are perfect, bang on, when you add this with your tarot reading, you will get more deeper insight and more deeper clarity when you're doing a tarot reading for a client. And now coming to a spellcaster. Now you're a spellcaster, you're a Wiccan, or you are into crystal rituals, tarot spells, or candle spells. Then these symbols are like an add-on energy to the spells that you do for it to become more successful and more powerful. And coming back to, if you are into candle healing, as I said, this works. Now I am not into candle healing, I am not into spell casting, but I am a Reiki healer. I am a simple healer who heals through Lama Fera or through any other modalities for that case. These symbols can also be as an add-on to make the healing more energetic and powerful. So on the whole, we can do this as a rune casting, the way we do rune casting, the way we predict through our tarots. In a predictive science, this is used in a very beautiful way. Also, you can, now coming to, if you think, but I am not a rune caster, I am not a tarot reader, I am not a crystal healer, but I feel very attracted to this course. Can I join this course? Yes, you can beautifully join this course, because this course is also for people who have nothing to do with any modalities and are completely fresh and are starting their life new in the field of spirituality. Even for them, this course can be done. So what will I be doing? I will be sending you all these 13 amazing occult symbols. Okay, these are the symbols which I will be sending you all, and I will be sending you this board. This is a board which we will be covering in our workshop. So this board will be sent, these occult symbols will be sent, and the manual will be sent. And then we will be having the workshop through Zoom sessions, and you can learn with me how to predict. And you all know I was the first person in India who had brought in rune spells. The same way I am also going to teach you all a little bit of witches runes spells with the predictive science of rune casting, the way we can predict with our witches runes, along with small spells which we can do, or how we can give these symbols to our clients for them also to benefit as well. So these runes will be these runes or the occult symbols, whatever you call it as, will be sent to you. These are personally energized by me and programmed by me in your name, and then it will be sent to you. So don't allow others to touch it, because I'm going to energize it and program it for you. So you will be using it in predicting for others, or using it in spells, or whatever way you want, you will be using it for others. The course is starting on 1st June. So those who want to register, I think as this video is coming, the course coordinator number will also be flashing here. And you all know that we have a course coordinator now, so you can get in touch with them, and they will give you the energy exchange and what are the other details of this course that you require. And then you can join with me to become a powerful spellcaster, or an accurate tarot card reader, a rune caster, or a beginner in this field of spirituality and divination. Thank you.